Assalamualaikum. My name is Iftar and today in this lesson we're going to do algebra. We have two different types of examples here. Let's do the first example. We have dash subtracted by 285 equals to 105. Now we have to find what goes in the dash. So for algebra we write an unknown number, unknown alphabet. So I will take A subtracted by 285 equals to 105. Now we got to find the value of A. So we will write A equals to 105 plus 285. So in this subtraction will convert into addition. So now let's do the working. 285 added by 105. 5 plus 5 is 10, 0 goes down, 1 goes up. 8 plus 1 is 9. 2 plus 1 is 3. Our answer is 390. So A equals to 390. So we will write A here. Now we have a different sum. 8 multiplied by B equals to 56. So for this we will write 8 equals to 56. Now in this multiplication will turn into division. Now what do we divide this with? We divide this with 8. So this equals to 7 as 56 divided by 8 is 7. So B equals to 7. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, subscribe and share. Actually this is B.